What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, and look at this. My temperature's fine up because I've just been sitting here for 20 minutes and this thing completely overheated on me. Got the check engine light. This has got to be the worst Toyota Corolla I've ever bought in my entire life. What was I thinking? Let me show you what's going on. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am broken down over here and my radiator hose is just completely broken off of the radiator. It just snapped. I just bought this car at auction the other day. It's a 2000 Toyota Corolla. I'm not sure if you guys seen the video. I just do want to tell you guys that this is how it is being a car dealer. I was very lucky. Searched through my entire trunk because I don't know anything about this car. We just got it, and I was able to find this little key and this thing right here. I also found a water bottle in here, which is great. It's got some jumper cables. This stuff's not tied up. Everything's just loose everywhere. But we're gonna see if we can get home today. So with this stuff that I found, I was able to loosen this, remove all this crazy stuff in the radiator, just part of the radiator. And what I'm gonna do is basically patch it up because I'm not far away from home. And this is a day in the life of a car dealership, especially when you're just starting out. It's tough out here, man. You want to start off selling these nice little Toyota Corollas so you get to buy the best ones, good mileage, good Carfax, all the good stuff, and try and sell it for the best. And this is ultimately what happens right here. This is a vehicle that I was not able to test drive before buying. I was not able to listen to it, hear it, anything. All I knew was the Carfax about it. And even this looked weird to me when I first got the car, that I had two hoses right here. So I'm just gonna tighten it up as much as I can. And I do have some drinking water, but I found this in the trunk too. And we're gonna see if I can make it home. This thing was just overheating to the max. So this is basically what I do almost all the time. Not all the time, but whenever problems go down, you just have to keep a cool head, be calm, be cool, get it done. Right now we're gonna be going on a POV test drive, trying to make it back to the dealer, but let me make sure that I can get there safely. I'm gonna have to use my reserves, my water. I didn't want to. My cool little Yoda cup, but let's do it. Hopefully we can make it home, but I'm not sure. Definitely gonna need a new radiator, but even after that it was still overheating. I was just going for a test drive on it when the water just went way crazy. I got a brand new radiator cap because I took the one off yesterday that was on here, and it came off in pieces, like 3 or 4 different pieces. So I thought, okay, maybe the radiator cap was going on. Maybe I just replaced that and maybe it'd fix it. You just never know. I was just hopeful. I did tighten this up a little bit what I could. You know, just use whatever you can, where you can, and just try to make it home. We're gonna try. We're not too far. But this is no joke what it's like buying used cars. Used cars are used cars. All right. I think I already have my wheel turned all the way. Okay. All right, so my temperature is low now because initially I wanted to just stop and wait for like 10 minutes. It's been a little longer than that. I can see traffic is starting to build up over here, so I'm not gonna go yet. I'm gonna wait till there's no traffic. That way I can just simply go and go on my way as fast as I can, make sure there's no red lights, stuff like that, because I want to keep my temperature as low as I can. Okay, looks like they're starting to go now. So am I. Let's get it popping. We'll see how fast my temperature shoots up. And this is kind of the way you got to do it, guys. Be very mindful of everything. And my car's overheating. We'll see if it makes it. I'm not going to push it too much. Let me turn on my heater. Hopefully that works. Temperature's doing good. I think there's a maniac behind me. So this by far is the worst Toyota Corolla I've ever bought. This steering wheel is a really big dead giveaway that whoever had this car was just grinding maybe in traffic, or just didn't like the car enough to care about it or take care of it. I thought it was going to be something easy that I could take care of, but I guess not. Look, my temperature's way up high already. Dang, that hose probably blew off. It didn't last me a second. This is what happens when you buy things sight unseen. Sometimes it comes out good because you're just, like I said, you just want to buy the best cars, sell them at a good price, but then life happens and things happen. And I know people hate car dealers, man, but this is literally stuff that we go through all the time with buying used cars, whether they're this old or even newer cars. Trust me, I've had the weirdest, craziest issues with all kinds of different kinds of cars. I've been stranded a million times, this and that, but I've always kind of made it home. Almost no matter what. Oh, snaps, we're so close. It's absolutely ridiculous. Oh my goodness. I'm just hoping, because I sent them an email last week of the auction that I bought this car, and I was like, dude, I don't know how you guys sold me this car. And because they test drove it for us, you know, that's what they do. They test drive it for you. They review the car, tell you what's wrong with it, what's not wrong with it, what's good with it, what's bad with it. Oh look, there's my dad in the Fiat. And they're supposed to tell you everything about the car. You know, they have like a guarantee or something like that, or a warranty. So we're gonna see what happens now. Man, that thing is up as far as it goes. Oh, my little baby Corolla. This is not good, but I'm literally less than a block away, so I'm gonna try and make it. We're going for it. We're going for the gold today. Jesus, man. You know, the Corolla is one of my go-to cars. You're not gonna make a whole lot of money off a Corolla, but you're going to make money off a Corolla. You kind of almost always do. I've only ever had one other bad Corolla. Same thing, had a bad motor, and what was going on is the car was kind of like knocking, but it still ran great. Same thing with this car. It still runs really, really good. It's just overheating like a son of a thing, and it might have a bad head gasket. It might have this, it might have that. I don't really know, but Jesus. So we're here. We made it. There's like cars everywhere. Let me get this thing. Where is, oh my goodness. It's amazing here. Get this thing as far back as I can. Okay. All right, let me put it right here in the, oh, snaps. Where should I put it? I don't know. Put it over here. All right, guys, that's the video. You now know what it's like to buy cars, used cars, especially right now in 2022. It's a disaster because, I mean, you just never know what's gonna happen with them, and it's just such a big risk. And you guys see my prices and you guys probably thinking that I'm crazy, but the thing is, we're risking it every single day buying cars, so it has to be worth the risk. I don't know what's gonna happen with this car. It's mostly just on the company that sold it to me, what they're gonna email me, what they're gonna tell me. I would really like to just return this car and get rid of it because I think it's gonna need a motor. But we'll find out. I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.